Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a quick little video for you guys. Me and my kids are getting ready to go to Omaha tomorrow, and I am getting ready to switch over to a more travel safety bag. I got a backpack from Target. It's really cute. I'll show you in the Omaha video that I will be posting at the end of this week. But I normally carry a very large tote. In fact, let me get it now. It's actually sitting on the other bar stool. So this is what I carry. I love it. It's super huge. It's very sturdy. I got it from 31 2 years ago. I just absolutely freaking love it. It's dirty. It needs to be washed again. It comes in a ton of different types, and you can of course have it like monogrammed and all that fun stuff. I don't do that kind of thing. So I just wanted a super sturdy bag for like when I have to carry my laptop and like my school books for when school starts for me again. And then of course like little knickknacks and stuff for the kids. So like I said, it's like, it's full right now. Y'all, we're going to go through this. But it's just, I love this bag. It has carried me through the years, but I think, excuse me, I will be using the backpack a little bit more. I have my little 31 owl attached to it. I got this as a gift from when I left nephrology. And then I still have Quelo rings, and of course they just come in these cute little carrying cases. If you don't know what they are, Quelo is the little silicone rings that you can buy to replace your wedding band. I wore a ton of them off and all that fun stuff. And then of course, you know, my stress relief holiday version. I need to get the black one back on here. But currently I have the aromatherapy stress relief eucalyptus tea pocket pack antibacterial hand gel. I love this scent. And then I think this is actually completely empty. Yeah, it's I've used it so much, but it literally is like one of the best scents. Dive right into this bag. So first of all, let me pull out. So I'm the weird one. I'm I don't know. I carry a folder in my purse. A Erin Condren planner. I freaking love the Life Planner. I've used it for 3 or 4 years now, and I just absolutely love it. Kids want a color, or like if we're waiting in line at a restaurant, or if, you know, shopping and waiting in line for, you know, getting checked out at Walmart or whatever, it's just taking way too long. There you go. Get the pins out of my bag. Doodle. We're good. My kids love to draw, and arts and stuff is just them. In fact, here, pull-ups. I also have those. I also have this really cool little, but it's got like 2 hair clips and some little hair ties for me and her in case it gets too hot and her hair's down. We can put it up. My ultra cool sunglasses. I love these things. My wallet is the same as my purse, and I love it. It's big, it's huge. It's got this huge coin purse pocket. Another big thing. So I just have this little side pocket here, and I keep most of my gift cards and things like that in there. I'm going to be going to a smaller wallet for my backpack, and it's going to have a little thing, but I'll show you when I do my packing video, probably in the morning, because I got to do laundry tonight. This mom has failed today like nobody's business. I was running from 9 a.m. I had to go pick up the kids from my ex's house. So, but anyway, this is the pencil pin case that I use to house all of my pins for my planner, and my kids also use it, and I also use it for like my highlighters and stuff for school. I got it from Target, go figure. It's green with a little carabiner. I don't use any like Pacific pens. It's really cool. If you go to Google and type in Katie Did t-shirts, it'll pop it up. But with all of your orders, you get this really cute little nail files. How cute are those? They just like tear out like a little matchbox. But I keep those in there for when I like break a nail or something and be done with it. So I have my badge for work. I got a rosary clipped to it, and then I also have some keys. One's to the Sharps box. If you didn't know, I'm a medical assistant. And then a lock key for a locker if I want one. And then this is an organ donor pin because I am an organ donor. So, and then I just have it on a badge reel. That's in there. I have my keys. My house did not come with a house key. It came with one of those little key entry things, and I just programmed it for my access code. So the last open pocket before we get to the other pocket. I feel like I have a lot of trash in this one. Oh, hold on. I do have a lot of trash in this one. That's really gross. Thanks to my kids. And I dropped something, so give me 1 second. Last pocket is normally like lip care and things like that. So I have this really destroyed gum Trident bubble gum wrapper thing. It's got like 4 pieces in it. So I used to love to chew gum. My daughter loves to chew gum, so that's always in there. I have the Kim Tech touch screen cleaning wipes. I use these for my phones, for my glasses. They work really well. I got them out at Sam's, and they're like, they come in a, you can get like 30 packets. They won't scratch delicate surfaces, and they don't do streaking or smearing. I get a free breakfast sandwich from Chick-fil-A. It's a gift card. Might use that one day. Let's see. I have Lifesaver mints in the Winto green flavor because this is like my go-to. I love mints. I love used to chewing on mints. I have a Halls cough drop. That's probably gross. Post-it notes with a number on it. I don't know what that's for. And then I have my Beats headphones, my wireless. I love these things. They come in handy, like if I go on a walk, I can put my phone in my pocket, and then I don't have to, worry about stuff like that. But I absolutely freaking love these. And of course, they are in army green, my favorite color. So that's what the carrying case looks like. It's just like silicone plastic, and it's super good. I probably will not be traveling with these, though. I don't need headphones. I'm going to have to be paying attention to children in a stroller. So, but I'll probably, when we get back from the trip, I'll put these back in here. Because when it is nice outside, I do like to go walking, or like if I need to make phone calls and stuff, I use these instead of having my phone up to my ear all the time. Because I feel like I do that enough at work. The EOS actually makes regular chapstick. This is their hydration formula. It's not flavored. In fact, I'm going to use it right now because I feel like my lips are dry. But I love this stuff. It comes in a 2-tube case. My other one's sitting at my desk at work. I love the EOS brand, hands down. One of my favorites. And then one of my go-to lipsticks, if I actually do ever wear lipstick, if I go out with friends or whatnot. I'm partially addicted to something else, and I will show you that in just a second. This is the Revlon Matte Ultra HD Lip Color. I also have it in a really bright, like, pink. Don't ask me why I bought pink, but I did. I wear it on the occasion. Kaylin likes to play with it a lot. This is in the shade Forever. But it's just a really pretty, like, dark chocolate brown color. I'll swatch it for you. It comes with just like the normal applicator, and then it's kind of glossy, and then it's got kind of like a mauve-y undertone, which I really like, but it's just so pretty. And then of course, once it dries matte, and I like to say it's long lasting. I don't know, I haven't worn it in a while, but this is like my go-to because my lips are just a little bit darker because I'm a dark person and I have this on my hand. But let me tell you about something I've been absolutely addicted to. It is the Victoria's Secret Ultra Shine Addict flavored lip gloss. So I got a pack of 5 for Christmas from the nurse practitioner that works with us. Me and a nurse got these, and they came in holiday scents. This is, I think this is vanilla icing, but oh my gosh, I am completely addicted. The packaging is just super pretty. It came in like this really pretty little envelope that you can like hold them in, and they stand up and they look really pretty. But let me just look how shiny that is. Ugh. Like, I'm not one for shiny lip glosses, but man, I like this one. It came with a pink, and this does have a pink undertone in it, even though it's like super white. But it's just so pretty. Like, can you like even imagine? Just, I wear it by itself. Like, this is my hands down go-to is this one. If I just want to do a gloss, especially in the summer, if I don't have to like dress up, I wear this one. There's also a red, a pink, and like a lighter shade of pink. If I ever do a makeup, what's in my makeup bag kind of video, then I will definitely show you those, even though they're not in my makeup bag. They're actually in one of the drawers because it won't fit in my makeup bag. But hands down, I recommend this, you ladies, if you've ever tried this. It's called Iced. Is this one, because I haven't been able to charge them because I've been running around. I have the Iron Man series of these headphones, and I freaking love these ones as well. They're not wireless, as you can see, but I do like to use them. They're magnetic, so they don't get tangled as easy. And they come with like the little rubber grippers, which fit way better in my ear than the iPhone or the headphones that you get for your iPhones and stuff. These are just more comfortable. My ear canals are shaped differently. I've had to have some surgeries when I was younger. So I love these. So these are always in my bag. So if my Beats are dead, I have these, especially if I'm just like walking and talking, or if I'm FaceTiming friends, then I put these in and I don't have to worry about those as much. But those are my second go-to because they're just more comfortable for my ear. I love them. Let's dive into some more goodies. Glasses cleaner, Kleenex in green, of course. Tampon, because I'm a girl, I'm not gonna lie. Eyeglass cleaner. And then the last 2 things I have in here are lotions that I highly recommend. So this is the Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Moisturizing Vaseline Jelly, and it heals severely dry skin. It's rich. So both of my kids have really bad eczema in the winter, if you can find it, and yeah, I use it. And then I have another lotion that a coworker gave me. It is the Avon Skin So Soft and Original. I love this stuff as well. I just actually recently got it, so I put it back in my bag so I can actually put it with my extras up in my bathroom. So if I run out of this, I can throw this in there if I'm getting low on this one, because this one works just as well. It is the Avon brand. Here's the tube.